Okay guys, welcome back. We're at the machine shop. We're at my dad's. And this ball right here does not fit inside this. What is this? Call this a yoke? I don't know. Anyway, so I need to, it's gonna be easier just to machine these balls than it is going to be to do the yoke. And if you look at the profile of this ball, it's got these two little thin flat spots on it, and I think if we were to just take these flat spots off and just get down to the ball, it will fit in here perfectly. So I'm over here at Dad's machine shop. Is that what we call this place? Dad's machine shop? Oh, it's Dad's shop, my mistake. But let's we got to get them clamped down to the mill here, and we're just gonna shave them balls off. We got to do one side, flip it, do the other side. So I'll just let you guys sit right here, and off we go. Is that a fly cutter?
This is a fly cutter.
Delete some media out of it. Full of grease, so don't put your hand where you don't want it. Let me take it right off here. Let me drag this thing. To drag it towards me that far. Oh shit. We're clear. I think we're clear now. the path?
No,
Oh, I know, that's good then. We'll take the rest off the other side. Okay. Now, we're really gonna hit this though. Can you go in and out instead of left and right with
you
it?
can.
So if this hits this,
Alright. Yeah.
can we use this hole to our advantage in here somehow? Like pin this in
Yeah. You can.
to keep it from sliding down the hill? Here's yours. We're doing another one, or are you just gonna do these two?
No, I'll do two. I'll just.
Tape out. Look at that. We're good. Don't get any better than that. Okay, success. So, next thing I'm gonna have Dad do is I brought down to one of the pins here. This is the pin that held the arms in the tractor, but as you can see here, I mangled them up really bad to get them out of the tractor because they were rusty. And it's hard to see on camera, but there's a groove worn in it where the arms have been banging around, so I think I'm just gonna make new pins. I brought some material down. I'll probably have Maple Grove make this piece, but I'll have Dad make me those pins. So let's work on that, and then we'll head back up to the tractor and put them in. Thanks, Dad.